What's up, guys, and welcome back to HS Fishing. Today I went fishing like normal, and it was pretty tough. The bass weren't fully spawning, and I had this little glide bait. That's all I had. It was the Berkley Nessie, and I took that thing and I was just casting it around on the few bass beds that we saw in the roaming bass, and we ended up catching a lot of fish, or a few fish, 4 or 5, I can't remember. I caught one off camera also that I wasn't able to get on there, so it was actually really cool, and just to be able to catch fish when there weren't a lot of people catching fish at this pond. So let's get into it. Seeing any? Got a little swim bait, but it's gonna be hard to catch spawning fish when there's literally no fish spawning right now. So that kind of stinks. Oh, there's one. The fact that he already sees me and is already swimming away is not good. Come on, where's the fish? It's got a little Berkley Nessie, I think is what this is, and the fish just chased it. So there's a fish on a bed that I've seen, and he looks like he might be interested in it. I think I've got to get it in like the right range from his face or something. This thing sinks at grandma speed. It sinks so slow. That's the one issue that I have with this bait. Like, everything else about it is really good. And the way this guy eats it every time, but just doesn't get it. It's wild. I think he thinks this is a real fish, man. For sure. Just gotta figure it out, you know? Oh no, my drag was loose. My drag slipped. Bro, he devoured it that time. Little guy right there. There's one of them. Yes, sir. Not hooked in a bad place either. Let's go. A little 1.5, I'd say. Beautiful fish. That time we got it. Oh my goodness. Anything, nice little guy. Chunky. Like, dude, please, I've been working on you for so long. It's only right. Bro, oh, he opened his mouth to it. Bro, the bait jerked the complete wrong direction. Like, I can't control that. It jerked to the right 2 times in a row. That's it, we got it. Finally. Come on, please don't jump off. Bro. Oh my goodness. First of all, let me just look at him. Good 2.5 pound bass. The hooks is out. There we go. Oh, good little 2 pounder, 2.5 maybe.